Good morning, everyone. This is Nisi from the Shabby Painted Rose. And today is June 2nd. June. I don't know how we got here so quick, but we're here. And I'm going to be a little early because I have a few things to put out and lots of yummies. If you're watching the smaller clips, I just wanted to put this on as more of a live. So yes, these clips are all mine. Yes, they are coming from all of what's in my slash design studio slash where I love to be. So I set it up with couches and TVs, and it's gorge, along with the beautiful roses that are ready now for pictures today. And some of the tulips, these were from the baby shower. It was elegant, amazing, beautiful. But I want to jump right in here because I have so much going on. So I am still making beautiful envelopes. I already started making some beautiful bags. The envelopes, some little pamphlet lovelies to go inside the journals. I wanted to post a few things. You saw all the lace and all the pouches. And if you didn't, just look on the minute clips. They're only minute clips. They're quick and easy. I don't do many large ones. I'm going to do a launch one, but at this point, due to the amount of people asking for new journals, I'm not sure I'm going to do a large one. I think I'm just going to stick with the 3-minute ones on the on my YouTube. So a lot are asking what is in it. Well, that is the launch surprise, but I'm just going to put out a little bit and then tell you a little bit about what I jumped into, you know, the clothing. You're not really seeing a lot of it on my YouTube channel because they're videos that I got paid for, and they took them and then they use them for their advertising and whatever they do. It's not the type where like say my Amazon, which I have a beautiful shop in Amazon. You need to check that out. I have worked hard on it. I don't want to overwhelm it by thousands, so I'm putting like 200 and less. I think I'm like at 140 of items that I have definitely used. I've definitely have in my videos, definitely in my journals. So you can purchase them because I get many questions on where did you get that? Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? Where'd you get? Okay. So that's what I did there. It's just under the shabby chic style. It's under one link, so you don't have to go all over the place. One link. I'm going to put it right at the top of the description underneath this video and in the comments. It's only a couple of cents every time you hit on the links. It's not a big deal, but it's right there. So you could just push the button and buy it. That includes the molds I'm putting out. I'm only doing the links that I want to do. There may be some things that you're seeing that I don't have out there. One is not being sold on Amazon. Two, I'm not putting out thousands worth of affiliate links, and I'm not just going to give out everything that I have worked for 30 years to be able to put into my journals. And that's it. It's not called gatekeeping. It's called smart business. You don't see a lot of the other creators who have shops and stores out there handing out their wholesale links. Come on, ladies. Let's be real. Do it the right way. Start at the bottom of the ladder and work your way up. But I certainly gave you 80% of what you can get your hands on that you're seeing. Now, seeing something pretty and putting it together is another ball game. That's down the road for me to keep teaching. I have a little class I'm working with right now. They're in their 20s, and I am teaching them some ropes of what I've been doing. And that was opened and closed in a second because that's how fast it went. So I'm just going to keep going. The bunny book is the new collection. This beauty is the new collection. She still is the new collection, and she still is going to come out in a couple other designs because I found some more. Like the stock is forever, and it just gets packed and packed and packed into baskets and pretty quilt bags and boxes, and it's just you can't get into that every single day. Unless you're making a mess, I don't do messes. Here's how I do it. I took all this out right here. And once I have worked with all this and it's gone, then I fill it back up. Because if I have a huge pile, I'm overwhelmed. I do the same thing with the ephemera books, which I've shown you. You can look in the videos. I work through my ephemera books. Speaking of which, well, of course, there's not one close, but what have you. And once I empty it and use up everything that's in it, then I refill it and do it again, because it's impossible unless you have a warehouse and all shelved and clear drawers so you could see everything. You never know what you have. That's why it says, get in your stash, ladies. You can go in there shopping in your own stash because you forget what you have. But anyway, that's what my pouches are about. And it's not just in my shop, it's in my life. I have pouches in my bedroom for certain different pieces of clothing and what have you. Like number one, socks. Now I am going to show you this only because you either wear socks or you don't. I am a sock person. I always say, oh, I want to take a video, but I have socks on. These probably are the best socks that I have ever gotten. I can't tell you. And I'm 66, and they hold you firm but soft. Oh my God. They were sent to me. I wasn't even sure I was going to even bother with these, but I am a sock person. I wear them in my house. I have this thing about clean feet. In the summertime, I do flip-flops, but trust me when I tell you that my mother used to clean our feet with Clorox water. I still do the same. I feel the same about my hands, even though I paint, use glue, what have you. I am not one to, like, really get grungy. I'm not. Just not. I was freaking out over doing this, but I wore gloves. But anyway, this is the company. It's called Close Mate. She sent me 6 pair. They're for women and men. They're all over everywhere. There's so many people that order these. And if I didn't think that these were good socks, I would ship them right back and tell her to keep them. Hello. If you want to send me another 6 pair, they're so soft. You know that feeling like, let me give you for instance, just real quick. And all I got to show you is more material because I'm all about material. This beautiful, you know, this softness. Yeah, that's what they feel like. Trust me. Trust me. You will love these. And I don't have a link for you. It's not about me selling them. It's not about me making money off of them. I will tag her. You go follow her and buy them from her. I'm not making money from them. Like, again, all these products, I did videos for them. They can use the videos. And I agreed to put it in here because why wouldn't I want her to put my beautiful journals and my fabric all over the place? But I wouldn't tell you to buy it if I didn't think. If you don't mind walking around in that softness on your feet, hello, they're the pair. That's it. So you'll find it underneath the description and you can find her. There's no links for me. None. There's no links for the clothes. There's no links. The only thing I have is my Amazon shop and my TikTok shop. And that is basically my journal stuff for the people at TikTok. For the ladies who like to go to Amazon shop, my Amazon shop is for you. And that's it. It seemed like it was going to take up a lot of my time, but it did not, because I did what I had to do and I got it over with. Now I'm back into my real world, where I'm going nowhere for the next 10 years. So I want to show you something. I bumped into a girl on Instagram. Now remember when I did these? My regulars and VIPs will remember. Look at the date. 2021. I started doing my palette. I'm an interior decorator, what I went to school for, college for, interior design, in my early 20s. And I also went for hospice in my early 20s. And I have certificates for both. But palettes has been something I've been doing since the early 80s, 1986. Palettes, meaning the mixture of colors. And you could tell by my wardrobe, you could tell by my home, my shop, the way I design. It's huge. So back in 2021 and 2020, I was doing my palettes with my designs. And then I just got so busy with all the designing of my journals, I just put it off the side. Now I'm seeing it out there in printables. Great idea, ladies. You want to show your printables and your palettes out there. So I found a girl who her printables just caught me. I spoke with her. I'm going to purchase them. I don't want anything for free. I'm going to purchase them and put them on my journal covers, and I'm going to put her name out there, which I've done to many of you. So I'm going to put her Etsy shop underneath this video, and it will go on continuously with all the rest, with all the other ladies that are under there. Love that. I love that. I love to look back and say, wow, I did that like 5, 6 years ago. It was a great idea. Perfect. It's palettes to show the coloring of your, whatever you're going to use their printables for. I only have so many printables, but I am going to have that palette design in my own coloring because it was my thing. So, on that note, you can find her and many others underneath the video. The only links I have to anything is somebody else's Etsy shop so that I do not make any money off of. Zero. I don't make any money off of YouTube or any of these platforms. I don't make money off of nothing beside the companies I made, whatever I made for the clothing. And I took a few of them down because I only want 1 or 2 up, and it has to do with my journals. If my clothing is going to match the journals, then I'm going to do that. And that's it. So for those of you who thought I was skating off into a whole other affiliate world, I'm not. I'm so not. So I want to show you this quick. Stop talking. Look at this binding. I did it by accident. Oh, look at my BB. Her cute little hair. She just noses because she's nosy. So this is elastic. Let me see here. Let me make sure everything's good. It's all good. It's elastic. And I left enough hoops so you could put a charm, which I added a charm. Okay, so you don't have to go through how you're going to get it on there, la, la, la. But this is holding 3 signatures, that little bit. Now, this is elastic ribbon. Is holding 3 signatures. Let me show you. So, she's going to be available. She's a new collection. I just started her. And she's getting some expensive stuff in here. Yes, I agree this kind of pet tape is expensive. It's pretty. I use it. So look, that's 1 signature. Now look at that one. How tiny it is. That's 2 signatures. And look at that. That's 3 signatures in there by that. Do you want to see how? You're going to have to comment yes. You want me to do a video and show you how I did this. And I will show you how. So, she's the new collection. She's in the pretty greens and light greens because we've gone, you know, blues and greens now, not just pink. However, pink will never disappear in my world. She's not done. I just started putting ephemera on her and some of the beautiful lace. She's going to have lace throughout her. Gorge, and she'll be available for the lunch. That sounds like lunch, and I'm hungry, but lunch. Lunch. L-A-N. Lunch. That's me. She's going to be available in the lunch. What is this? I see it. Huh. Why does everything happen when you're on video? I don't understand. She's Gorge. Only 1 ladies. And if she doesn't sell in the launch, she's going to stay with me. So I got that French envelope in there. She's stunning, stunning. Just a quick. She needs some. I'm still putting lace on the ends of the quilt pages. So she's just about done. She's going to have the beautiful lace that I have on the ends of those pages. So it makes her nice and flappy and full. And she will be done and available. Only 1 ladies. We're back to only 1 ladies. Only 1 ladies. Only 1 ladies. She's Gorge. She's going to be available. Of course, not with this one because I've written in her, but they'll be blank for you to write in with a white gel pen. Gorge. 2 signatures. The second one is more vintage. She still has to have a little bit of lace put on her. I'm going to add vintage lace in there, by the way, so I give you a mixture. And then there's a signature in the back. I've shown you her a few times. She's Gorge. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 right there. That's going to be available. She's going to be available, but she's not going to be cheap. She's not going to be available with the John Hancock signature one. This one's going to be mine. but she's going to be stuffed full. Got that smell of that rusty paper thing going on there. And she's going to have that printable that's in my shop. There is a printable, which is being sold. I don't even know how many sold by now, but the John Hancock printable. There's 10 pages in there. You'll love it for $2. Get it while you can, because that is only the anniversary price. It goes up. It's worth money. It goes up after the launch is over. So she's going to be available, but only one. And that one's mine. And all these are mine. Mine. I'm finally saying that. I am going to have 2 more of the quilt journals, not like this, but pretty. I'm going to do the sewing and what have you, and do some of the pages like this one. There'll only be 2 more and it's over. What I did was took the insides out and then I switched them. So then I got linen on the outside and the other stuff on the end, and I re-sewed them. And hello, I came up with more. She's mine. This pretty is mine. And I've been asked how many times, could I just purchase that? No. This is printed on an 8x11 photo paper, which makes it expensive because you got to buy the whole pack in order to get that. So no, that's not for sale. And then I'm going to have, you know, the Webster's done, vintage-wise, Gorge. I get back to her. I've got some of the prints in here of my own for myself. I started her. These are all the ones that I'm finishing now through the June and July. And then I'll bring them back out as flip-throughs of mine. And then whatever gets ordered, gets ordered. And then, of course, these are not going to look like this. Now, the new ones, somebody said to me, is it going to look exactly like, no, this is mine that I've been working on for months. They come with a beautiful cover, 2 signatures with the covers done, and the inside covers and the first page is done. Not exactly like this. They're shabby chic now with the materials, but they're all sold out. And that's how they begin. And then you do all this. Come on, ladies, you do all this work. This is months worth of work. So, just to say, there's going to be some pouches. I know these are beautiful, right? Gorge. There'll be packages, fabrics and lace, 2 different packages with yummies inside of them. There'll be pouches. And this is the end of the line. And then the journal collections, and I'm not going to say anything else. Whatever else I put in for the launch. The launch will be in the next week and a half somewhere. We'll let you know. The VIPs always get first pick. Whatever's left, if there's anything left, it will go in the shop. We'll let you know. If you want to get on the notification list, you have to email. That's it. We're not going through all these sites and picking out these people. We don't have the time to do this. Obviously, I'm very busy. And right now I have to create 16 covers of the shabby chic. Oh, this one, because 16 sold. And she's actually sold. She's gorge. 16 of them. So I have that. I have shabby chic, other ones from a collection that's finishing up. I have art journals, the book of the month. I have all these that I'm creating, plus everything else. And then whatever I'm doing behind the scenes now that I'm not putting out there. So busy me. It's going to be a great summer. Don't get involved in that crazy stuff going out there again. We did that 5 years ago, and look at how much time it wasted. Keep living life. Life is beautiful. Grow flowers. Get in the garden. Spend your time journaling. I journal so many hours a day. I design so many hours a day. And then the rest of the day I take for my personal self. I know a lot of you work, but this is my work, so I put in my time. So that's it. That's where it's at. The launch is going to be on a 3-minute video and not a full video. I don't really have time for all this editing stuff and what have you. And if I'm ever wearing clothing again, hold that thought, only because it's matching what I'm wearing. Have a great couple of weeks. See you soon. We're so excited. Bye now.